Hi everyone, it's Anna, and today's video is going to be a follow along leg stretching routine. This is a beginner routine, so if you don't feel like you're getting a deep enough stretch, I recommend trying out my more advanced routine, which I'll link down in the description. But if you're a beginner looking to improve your leg flexibility, this is the perfect routine for you, so let's go ahead and get started. First, stand with your legs a bit farther than shoulder width apart and reach down to touch the ground. Now reach to the side and grab your ankle. And reach to the other side. Now reach back to the center and make sure that both your legs are turned out. Then bend and straighten your legs 5 times. Keeping your legs bent, lift up your chest and push back on your legs. Go into a straddle and bend in one leg. In the straddle, reach over top of the straight leg and then reach over top of the bent leg. We're going to repeat the same stretches with the leg bent outwards instead of inwards. Repeat all of those stretches, bending the other leg. Now bend both legs into a butterfly stretch. For a deeper stretch, try to push your legs down to the ground. Now straighten both legs and reach forward into a pike stretch. Next, lay on your back and pull a bent leg up towards your chest. Now straighten the leg and try to pull it as close to you as you can. We're going to repeat that last stretch on the other leg as well. Now bend both legs, crossing one on top, and try to pull them towards your chest. Repeat the last stretch on the other side. The final section of this stretching routine is going to be some different variations of lunges, starting with just a basic lunge. During the lunge, you should be trying to push your back thigh as close to the ground as you can. Now bend the back leg of the lunge to get a really deep stretch in your thigh. Now we're going to straighten the front leg and reach forward to stretch your hamstring. Now go down into a split with the front leg bent in. And reach forward. Finally, we're just going to repeat all those lunges that we just did on the other leg. you improve your leg flexibility. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so you're notified whenever I upload any new videos.